The earth is composed of three parts, namely soil, water, and air, with the interaction of the sun as the main source of energy on earth. Soil is a very important natural resource on earth, made up of tiny particles of rocks and decayed plants and animals. Good day everyone! Today we'll be discussing about soil and its types and characteristics. Do you know what is meant by soil? Soil is a broken pieces of rocks. It is made up of small particles of rocks that contain decayed tiny organisms and plants. Soil covers most of the land part of the earth. You can find plants, animals, houses, and other organisms on the soil. We live in the soil, and it helps us in many ways. Different types of soil have different physical characteristics. Each soil type differs in color, texture, odor, and its ability to hold water. Some types of soil are good for planting, while others are not. The presence of the different vegetative plants in a place is an evidence of a good quality of soil in the area or locality. What do you think are the common characteristics of soil? Some types of soil are loose, others have fine particles, while some have coarse particles. How does each soil differ? Different types of soil differ in their physical characteristics. In what ways are they different? Different types of soil differ in color, texture, odor, and their water holding capacity. Why do different types of soil differ? Different types of soil differ because they come from different places and they contain different particles. What are the three different types of soil? First, we have sand. Sand contains particles that are coarser than those of clay and silt. It is loose and easy to dig. This is not good for growing plants because it cannot hold water well. Water easily passes through between soil particles. However, sand allows air to pass through in between the particles. Next, we have loam soil. Loam contains the right amount of mixture of particles, silt, sand, and clay. Loam soil can hold enough water and oxygen which are needed for plant growth. Loam soil is best for gardening. Our next type of soil is clay. Clay is made up of very fine particles of rocks. It has the finest particles of the three types of soil. This type of soil holds much water. It is sticky when wet. Clay soil can be used in making pots. Now, let's take a short quiz. I want you to prepare a pen and a paper, then choose the letter of the correct answer. Are you ready? Number 1. Which of these is made up of smallest particles of rocks which contain decayed matter of plants and animals? A. Land, B. Soil, C. Mineral, D. Water. The correct answer is letter B, soil. Number 2. Which type of soil is characterized as having the finest particles that hold greater amount of water? A. Loam, B. Clay, C. Sand, D. All of the above. The correct answer is letter B. Number 3. Which type of soil is best for planting? A. Loam, B. Clay, C. Sand, D. All of the above. The correct answer is letter A. Number 4. Why is soil important to living things? A. It forms part of the earth where animals live. B. It provides the necessary nutrients needed by plants. C. It serves as a place where people live. And D. All of the above. The correct answer is letter D. Number 5. How does each type of soil differ from one another? A. Texture, B. Color, C. Odor, D. All of the above. The correct answer is letter D. Number 6. How do decaying organisms like plants and animals make the soil fertile? A. They change their color. B. Odor is enhanced. C. They make their texture finer. D. They add nutrients to the soil. The correct answer is letter D. Number 7. Which of the soil type is good for making pots? A. Loam, B. Sand, C. Clay, D. All of the above. The correct answer is letter C. Number 8. How does soil help plants? A. It provides anchorage. B. It provides necessary nutrients for growth. C. It serves as home for many plants. D. All of the above. Answer D. Number 9. Why is soil called renewable resource? A. It will not last long. B. It is available for use anytime. C. It can be recycled. Number 9. Why is soil called renewable resource? A. It will not last long. B. It is available for use anytime. C. It can be recycled. D. It needs to be conserved. The correct answer is letter C. Last number. Which type of soil do you usually expect if the community is along the seashore? A. Sand, B. Clay, C. Loam, D. Sand and clay.